global village where money is the blood of everything, both human or the physical world. Africa is this. United States is this. Apple companies being seen or being found in the United States. Apple is not seen in Africa. Africa has its own currency. United States has its own currency. United States will ship Apple to Africa, and Africa will exchange their currency into their currency so that trade will exist. That is why today we are here to understand what is called Forex. Samson is giving money to Gable. On the picture, that is not Forex. It can either be Samson is dashing Gable money or gifting Gable money, or Samson is crediting the Gable with money. You are called Samson, and also assume me as Gable. Gable is the one holding the US dollar, and you, Samson, you are the one holding Euro currency. On the picture, you can see Samson is exchanging the euro with the dollar. This is what we call foreign exchange or Forex. Forex is where a situation whereby I have currency and I exchange it with you. So therefore, one sell and one buy simultaneously. The same thing applies to the Forex chart. On the chart, we can see Euro and USD. Samson is holding Euro. I'm the one holding USD. So you can see vividly from the chart that we have green and red candlestick. This is called a candlestick. The green represents Euro. The red represents USD. So therefore, the green is you, you Samson, and Euro is me. The red is me. So the currency USD is the red candlestick, and Euro is the green candlestick. Samson buys, I sell. I also buy, Samson sell. We will give much in-depth understanding to this. On the chart, this is a broad chart. We can see Euro USD. Samson is the one holding the Euro, and you are the one holding USD, or Gabe is the one holding the USD. The Euro is the base currency. As I said, Samson is holding the base currency, and Gable is the one holding the quoted currency. This is a price, and the price is the quoted rate. Samson is the one holding the base currency, and on the chart, the green candlestick represents the base currency. If the green candlestick moves up as we see, it means the base currency as appreciate. Therefore, if something base currency as appreciate, we can say something can buy more of the USD. So green represents buy. Whenever that you see green, it represents buy. Some also call it bull candlestick, but let's say buy. Let's use buy for the meantime. So you can say buy. And on the price, whenever the price is moving up, it means that the currency that something is holding is appreciating. Therefore, something can buy more of the USD. At the same time, in the likewise manner, whenever that you see the red candlestick, it means Gable currency as appreciate or is appreciating, whilst the base currency is depreciating. The downward is called the bearish candlestick, or the red is called the bearish candlestick. So whenever the candlestick is in a bearish direction, it means euro is depreciating. So you can see from the price that the price is moving down. So euro price is depreciating. Therefore, if something holding the base bought more of the USD down with its euro, when at that time when euro appreciates, something bought more of the USD down. Now at this time we are seeing that the dollar has also appreciated. Therefore, he has to start selling the dollar. So that's why we say when a red candlestick comes, you have to sell more. You have to sell. So he's selling the dollar because the euro currency has depreciate.